Hello everyone, I am Ramesh KS. Today we will work with one's complement representation. Let us start our discussion. One's complement representation. One's complement representation. As well, we will discuss two's complement representation, followed with the one's complement subtracting subtracting a larger, subtracting using one's complement and subtracting using two's complement. If time permits, we will look into subtracting using two's complement as well. Okay, now in this session I am concentrating on one's complement representation. Okay, in this one's complement representation, I will consider one binary number. Generally, this is the simplest method of representing negative binary numbers. Let us consider one example. I am considering one example. Consider binary number 1000111. This is a binary number. So in this binary number, so one's complement of this binary number, one's complement of this binary number, one's complement of this binary number is 0 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, now in this what do you mean that one's complement of this number? One's complement means we are changing ones into zeros and zeros into ones. Here ones into zeros and zeros into ones we change. So wherever 1 is there, we are placing 0. Wherever 0 is there, we are placing 1. This is about one's complement representation. Now I will ask you another question for you. Let us replay me. Okay, so I am taking 1 1 0 1 0 1. So what is the one's complement of this number? This is the binary number. This is the binary number. Okay, now tell me what is the one's complement of this number? One's complement of this number. What is one's complement of this number? So wherever 1 is there, we are placing 0. So 1 is there, 0, 1 is there, 0, 0 is there, 1 is there, 0, 0 is there, 1 is there, 0. So this is the one's complement of this number. This is what one's complement representation. Okay, now I will write the two's complement representation now. Two's complement representation. So in this two's complement representation, how? So consider binary number. Consider binary number. So I am considering 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. So one's complement of this first, in order to find two's complement representation, first we should write one's complement. Further we have to add at the LSB position. Okay, now so I am considering one's complement. First I will find one's complement of this binary number. One's complement of the binary number. So what is the ones complement of the binary number? 0 0 0 1 0 1. This is ones complement of this binary number. Now, so what is the twos complement of this this binary number? What is the twos complement of this binary number? Twos complement of the binary number. Twos complement of the binary number is equal to, how we can do that? First we have to write ones complement number, add 1 at the LSB position. So how we can add it? Tell me. So now what I will do is I will take here 0 0 0 1 0 1 1. Now tell me. So here you have to understand binary addition. So now I will tell you the binary addition. Okay, now I will introduce you binary addition. So in this binary addition, so first I will take one value, a value. Let us consider a. Here b, here sum, here carry. Okay, now here 0, a value is 0 0 1 1. Now now I am taking b value. So b is 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, now what is the sum of these two? What is the sum of these two? 0. What is the sum of this one? 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. We have to take carry here. So carry here is, sum is 0, carry is 1. We have to consider carry here, 1 plus 1. Okay, here carry is 0, here carry is 0, here as well carry is 0. So in this 0 plus 0 0, sum 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0, 1 is carry. We are considering this one. Okay, now we are considering this one. 1 plus 1 is 1, here 1. The above table adds only 2 bits and gives sum and carry. If carry is generated, it should be carried over to the addition of next 2 bits. Okay, now so here 1 plus 1 I am writing 1. So normally 1 plus 1 1. So 1 plus 1 1 0 normally 1 0 1 plus 1 1 0 here what it will do is here 1 is the carry, 1 is the carry, one is the carry, so here 0 is the value, 1 plus 1 1 0, so now again 0 plus 1, again 0 plus 1, that means 0 plus 1 is 1 now. Zero plus 1 1, again 1, zero plus 1 1, here you have to place here 1. Before that here 0, here 0, here 0, here 1, so this is the final value. So this is what 2's complement of this binary number. So what is the 2's complement of the binary number? Finally I am writing here 0 0 0 1 1 0. Okay now, so I will draw this chart. Wait some time. So in this 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0, 1 is carry and sum is 0. So this is about 1's complement representation and 2's complement representation. Again I am reviewing. 1's complement representation means we are considering one binary number. Wherever 1 is there we are placing 0, wherever 0 is there we are placing 1. So this is the binary number. The binary number 1's complement is this one. So now we are representing 2's complement representation. Binary number is this one, and binary number 1's complement subtraction first we have to do. Further we have to add 1 at the LSB position. So once if you add the 1 at the LSB position, finally we get this result. This is called 2's complement of this binary number. So again we learned binary addition as well. A and B we are taking two variables, 0 0 plus 0 0, the binary addition. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is carry, and sum is 0. Okay, this is the binary addition. So you can take for 3 variables also, no problem. I will save this document. Binary addition. Okay, 3 variables binary addition I will do now. Okay, let us concentrate. 3 variable binary addition. Here I am taking a values, how many? 8, 4 zeros and 4 ones. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 I am taking here 4 zeros and 4 ones. 1 2 3 4 4 zeros 4 ones. B I am taking now. B 2 zeros 1 2 here 1 here 1 2 zeros 2 ones, and again another 0, another 0 1 1. So finally I am taking C here. C 0 1 0 1. Zero one 0 1. So now I will do addition of this. What I am doing is, first I will do previous carry, sum and carry. Okay, now previous carry I will take here one side, previous carry, previous carry. Here sum, here carry. Okay, so now tell me 0 plus 0 plus 0, what is the sum value? 0 0. What is the carry? 0. What is the previous carry? 0. Everything is 0. Okay, now 0 plus 0 plus 1, so previous carry is 1. Do one thing, this is what previous carry. I am taking this as a previous carry. This is previous carry. Okay, now 0 0 0. So now I will write sum and carry now. Okay, So sum is 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1. Very easy, right? Again 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1, 1. So sum is 0. 1 plus 1, 1 0, right? Carry is 1 and sum is 0. Again now 1 plus 1, 1. Sum is 1. Again 1 plus 1, 0 is a sum, carry is 1. Okay. Now 1 plus 1, 0, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, sum is 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 1 1. Answer is 1 1. Sum is 1, carry 1. So remaining rest of you can place 0, no problem. Okay, here 0, here 0, here 0. Okay, so this is about 3 variables binary addition. Okay, I am reviewing 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1 plus 1, 1 0, 1 is the carry, sum is 0, 1 1 0 0, 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1, carry is 0, 1 plus 0 plus 1, 0 and carry is 1, 1 0, 1 plus 1 plus 0, 1 0, 1 is the carry, 0 is the sum. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, double 1, carry is 1, sum is 1. So this is a chart. So what chart it is? 3 variables binary addition. 3 variables binary addition. 3 variables binary addition. Is a 3 variable binary addition. Okay, so do practice this one. You if you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay, so this is about 1's complement representation, 2's complement representation and binary addition of the 2 variables and the 3 variables. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.